Are you tired of generic e-commerce videos? CapCut Commerce Pro is the answer that you need. CapCut Commerce Pro uses AI to generate unique, engaging video content that captures attention and drives conversions. I've been using CapCut and it's a game changer for creating ads with AI. Whether you're new to content creation or a pro, you can create viral-ready videos effortlessly. Once again, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. On this channel, we bring you everything relating to AI and online tools to help you with your daily tasks. So, in case you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button now, like and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the subscribe button for more videos like this. Alright, let's dive right into the video. My favorite feature of CapCut Commerce Pro is how you can just drop your product link and boom. It automatically creates platform-specific videos, whether it's for Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook. No more resizing or reformatting for different social media. Just one click and you have videos ready for all platforms. With CapCut Commerce Pro, you can edit effortlessly. Yes, you have the privilege of fine-tuning your video. You can update captions, transitions, or visuals. You can also add trending effects, then export with just one click. CapCut Commerce Pro makes content creation effortless for SMBs. It helps you to generate videos or posters with just a product URL. What a way to save time and focus on growing your business. Why don't you try this amazing tool and see for yourself? To use the CapCut Commerce Pro, I have provided the link in the description below. Kindly follow the link to start using this AI tool. Once again, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what you think about CapCut Commerce Pro, or if there is any AI tool you want me to do a tutorial on, kindly let me know in the comment section.